So with the latest update of same item multiple boards, the connected boards column is now supported. Unfortunately, the formula column is still not supported fully, but in this video I'm going to show you a workaround that you can implement in order to really send formulas from one board to another automatically. So here we have a simple setup. I have two boards. We have board with formula and board with mirror formula. And let's add a new test. The formula I set here is a simple one. It's just 1 plus 1. So if I create a new item here, we should see 2. Perfect. And now I'm going to add my item to board with mirror formula. I'm in the demo workspace. Board. I'm going to set it to the blue group. And let's go here. Yeah, we can see it's done. So the same item is now shared. If I change the status here, then it will change here as well. Perfect. So what I'm gonna do here, in this case I have the formula column in this board, and in this one I don't have any. So I'm gonna add a connected boards column, and I'm gonna select board with formula. I'm gonna create a mirror column, and let's just customize it and choose the formula. Perfect. So we still do not see that the formula was added to the mirror column. I'm gonna call it formula, mirror formula, just to make it a little bit more clear. What I'm gonna do in this board is to go to automate templates, and here I will search for connect. And here we can see a recipe: when column changes, connect the item where this column matches another column in another board by this logic. So it might sound a little bit complicated, but let's break it down. So when column changes, I suggest that you choose a column that you most probably will touch, and you also share it with the other board. So this will trigger this automation. In this case, I'm just gonna go with status because I think it's the most popular column. And we're gonna connect the item where this column, so let's choose the name column. So because we have the same name in both boards, will always remain the same because it's basically the same item. So we're gonna choose the name column. So it will search for items in my other board. It will check for their name, and if the name is identical, then we will connect this one. So first we need to choose the board. Let's choose board with formula. So here is how it should look like. You should use this structure, so where name matches name in the board that you want to connect. The logic doesn't really matter, but let's do overwriting new match data. And for the connect, we're going to choose the board with formula, the connected boards column that we added. So now here is what will happen. If I go to my board with formula and I will change the status to done, it will also change the status here to done, which will trigger my automation, and it will connect my item, and the formula will appear here. So now I have my formula in my other board, and of course you can repeat this process for any kind of boards or any kind of column that you need.